tatawagan ng offensive foul itong si
Brandon Williams.
could be Brandon Williams, yes.
It's round number 11, Brandon Williams. That's his first.
Mo si Magtulis, madikit rin magdumipensa yan. Sometimes he can be bothersome, you know. And you have a tendency to want to push him away from you, no?
And that's exactly what Brandon Williams did. At nahuli siya.
Nebra playing a lot on the high post. Oh, that's a case of illegal defense.
Legal defense on the phone fouls committed by number 6, Ethan Demape.
Well, si Demape sumunod kaagad kay Jones kahit wala pa yung bola ron. And that is a no-no.
Because you're not supposed to double team a guy without the ball. But of course, there is the number of seconds that they have to count. Mark Agiwa still scoreless in this first quarter. But getting a chance, he's usually an accurate free throw shooter. And masakit sa kanya against, remember that game where they lost, he missed one free throw.
That's right.
Then eventually, you know, that was the killer because nakashoot ang Santa Lucia pabalik. No?
Helterbrand against Demape. Ito si Piodo. Agiwa asking for a pick. He stops, he pops, that's short.
Fran really is one of the best defenders of people that play in the perimeter, especially if they're his size. No? Talagang he'll follow, he'll fight picks. He's going to be open for this three-point shot, but is Jerry there? Oh, good move by Jerry Cordillera, the defense minister, but really one of the better veterans of the PBA. No?
Talaga na alam natin sa depensa talagang maasahan siya.
Ito naman yung kilos ni Jerry and yun ang foul ni Jojo Helterbrand. Ha?
That piece of action brought to you by PLDT Mega Million Sweepstakes 135. Dial 1351 for a chance to win. Araw-araw ang bola, milyon ang pera sa Mega Million Sweepstakes 135.
Nakakaiyak yung free throw shooting dito ng Talk and Text because they should be up by 6-7 points right now if they were pretty decent with free throw shots. No? Jerry missing first and turning away and making the second one.
At ngayon, lamang na po sila ng isang puntos. Pero katulad nga na sinabi, napakasayang, no? Napakarami mga missed opportunities from the free throw line ang Talk and Text.
Now you see Barangay Ginebra started this game with an 8-0 run, but right now they're trailing because they're lacking in offense, no?
Well, the moment Jun Limpot left this game with 2 personal fouls, talagang naubusan yung offensive might.
Mark Jones complaining that he was hacked there as the ball went out. Good thing for them, nasa kanila pa possession na Anthony. They do have 21 seconds on their shot clock.
Right. Piodo. Good tap there from Williams. Parang nagkakahiyaan sila sa kanila opensa, ano?
Well, Piodo is not going to take many shots, no? He's not going to take a 15, 17 footer. He probably wants to get a layup first so he can get the feel. Nice pass. Ayan, Magtulis, bailout, 3-point shot. PLDT long distance shot, huh?
That's right. Long distance shot brought to you by 40 cents. PLDT, IDD, anytime, anywhere. Any PLDT phone at yung pasa ni Piodo, parang inagaw sa kanya ni Magtulis.
Aywan ko nga kung assist pa para kay Piodo yun. That's illegal defense by Ginebra. That should be called. I don't know if, yes, it is. What Magtulis did was he hanged around the middle, never went back to his man, then went back to try to double team on Brandon Williams, which should not be allowed.
Well, tinawagan po sila ng illegal defense. Ginebra though now with a 2-point lead at 19-17.
Ito, nakaposte dito si Brandon Williams. A nice move. Alam na alam niya eh.
Wow! That was a No Fear slam brought to you by No Fear Jeans USA. Face your fears, live your dreams.
Huli.
Back-to-back slams?
Yes, this one easy layup. Masyado maaga ang take-off niya, no? But he got a very nice steal off the cross-court pass.
And Talk and Text now up by 2. Jones with a jumper, short. Williams, hindi nahihiya tumira yan.
He wanted to go for 3 in a row. Two easy shots and 1 3-point shot. No?
Helterbrand, bad pass.
Nebra's got to settle down here a little bit. They're trying to rush up the game, but the defense of Talking Tex is holding them down.
Jones.
Yes.
At tabla na naman po tayo, but obviously, without yung offense na nasanay yung Barangay Ginebra, which is to start at the post always with Jun Limpot.
Jun Limpot. They're struggling.
Talagang nagsastruggle sila. A miss there from Talking Text. Here comes Barangay Ginebra.
Trying to take the lead on this offensive play. 8 minutes left dito sa ating second quarter.
Jones against Codinera.
Nice move by Kagiwa. Patrick Fran lost him. Nag-backdoor si Kagiwa doon. Si Patrick Fran caught looking at where the ball is and didn't know where his man went.
But regardless, that was also not an easy shot from Kagiwa.
Pero alam naman natin, this guy is capable of making hard shots. Camaso, 3-point shot. That's his specialty.
Long distance shot brought to you by 40 cents PLDT IDD. Anytime, anywhere, any PLDT phone.
Foul number 17.
Talking Text now up by 1.
His first team foul.
Seesaw battle we're watching right now. Once again, welcome back to the Cuneta Astrodome. Anthony Suntay with the doctor, Andy Howe. Jones, nothing doing. Fran. They go to the import. That's the fall away of Jordan.
And he is really not a gun-shy type of player. We have to look at his stats at the half on how many attempts he has already taken here in the first half. Open na open si Piodo doon, no? He couldn't get the ball to him.
Magtulis for a long 3. That's short.
Williams didn't let the ball go out, but his teammates were hoping, let it go out. It's our ball. No? And 30 timeout. Full timeout.
It's a full timeout called by the Mobiline phone pals. They're enjoying a 3-point lead here in our second quarter. New technology Motolite, mas pang matagalan. 26-23 is our score here in our second quarter. Lamang ng tatlo ang Talking Text. And they get another possession. Williams all the way to the hole.
And he's fouled there, I think, by Magtulis.
Foul number 47, Mark.
It's on Mark Kagiwa.
His first 13.
Si Magtulis yung kasama niyang bumagsak.
2 free throws for Brandon Williams.
With 6 minutes and 20 seconds left dito sa ating second quarter, it's really surprising that Jun Limpot hasn't come back to the game, no? Because it's obvious that Ginebra is struggling without his presence. And Piodo is relatively new if you compare him to either Wilmer Ong or Calpito, who has also shown some good games. I think Alan Kaidig needs a good big man. Berhel Meneses is about to come back here. They also need him for his offense.
Well, you just beat me to the punch, Doc. I was about to ask you, when can we expect Jun Limpot to check back into the ball game?
Well, Meneses is coming back, but I think Limpot maybe by the second timeout somewhere here, they should be able to bring him back into the game, and they should bring him back to the game.
Helterbrand out to Jones. Jones jumper short.
That's a foul on Jerry Codinera pushing. Good call.
Kitang-kita ng referee yun.
Number 44, Jerry Codinera.
And that was directly in front of us, Doc.
Yeah.
For JJ Helterbrand.
Wilmer Ong is also about to come back together with Asitaw Laba, no? But they'll have to wait for the next dead ball situation. Kasi medyo nahuli sila rumiport doon. Si Verhel kanina pa nandun yun. So, tama-tama, nakapasok na si Verhel. Ito, magandang matchup para kay Verhel ito.
Magtulis for 3. That's short. Kagiwa, wow, skies over everybody.
That's what you call hustle, no? And then he makes the shot in front of your face. Yun ang masakit.
Mark Kagiwa brings Barangay Ginebra to within 3.
28-25.
Another nice move here from Brandon Williams. Alam mo, hindi mo alam kung iikot, mag-fade away, iikot, papasok sa loob.
He keeps the defensive player guessing. Let's take a look at this. After the offensive rebound, Kagiwa, one-on-one, shoots it in the face of Demape. Yan ang ating magandang super action dyan, mega action.
Exactly. Brought to you by PLDT Mega Million Sweeps Text 135. Dial 1351 for a chance to win. Araw-araw ang bola. Milyon-milyon ang pera sa Mega Million Sweeps Text 135.
This time, iba naman. He just shoots it quickly, no?
Patrick Fran. This time they go to the big man. Taulava gets another opportunity. Demape, titira yan. But they still can buy a basket from the outside.
That's why the score is low, 28-25, especially for a team like Ginebra, who's been averaging over 100.
Magtulis was inside, he kicked it out. Jones, tatlong sumusunod sa kanya. Here's talking text. Camaso inside.
That was the secondary break. No, you could see that nauna na si Demape and Taulaba was on the other wing, but Camaso came into the middle. It became a 3-and-2 situation and an easy layup for him.
Talking text now up by 5. Meneses, laban kay Fran. This time for 3. Wala pa rin, nahirapan si Meneses dito makascore.
So he's coming cold off the bench, no?
That was handed straight to Verhel.
It's like a pitcher.
Nabigla eh, no?
Yeah.
Si Meneses, oh, pinibigay mo sa akin to. Maraming salamat. I know Christmas is right around the corner, but this is the earliest Christmas gift I've gotten. Jones for 3.
Yes.
Long distance shot brought to you by 40 cents. PLDT IDD. Anytime, anywhere, any PLDT phone.
Coach Louis Alas very, not satisfied with the way Camaso rotated, but did not go to the man who was open at the corner, no? Because when they double team, you expect the other players to make the moves. Williams coming up with a lot of moves, and he knocks down Magtulis there also, no?
Ilang beses na nahuhulog to si Magtulis sa larong to.
44, Ronald Magtulis. Jerome Menesca for even.
Third foul here for Ronald Magtulis.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Only a side court throw-in para sa talk and text.
Ginebra San Miguel just got their 5th team foul, so they will be in the penalty again, Anthony. Talk and text only has 2 team fouls in this quarter.
They've really been able to take care of their fouls.
Yes.
Camaso sa labas para sa 3. Hindi papasok.
And you cannot say that Talk and Text is not defending. He never only has 28 points. So they're defending without giving up the fouls. Now you're watching this guy, who medyo asintado yan. That will hurt you, no? Talaba is a very good ball handler for his size. No? Williams almost took off from there.
Steal here from Kagiwa. It's a 3-2 fast break. Jones gets the foul, was looking for a 3-point play, but will have to settle for 2 free throws.
Foul number 17, Patrick Fran, his second 13 foul.
Siguro mas maigi lang, tinira ni Williams yun, ano?
Correct. Rather than make that kind of a move, that's going to be another, this time a timeout called by Barangay Ginebra.
2:50 remaining. Dito po sa ating first half. Talk and text. Enjoying a 2-point lead. Welcome back to the Cuneta Astrodome. Anthony Suntar here with the Dr. Randy Howe. And we'd like to say hello to some of the students from Don Bosco Makati, who was invited, of course, by Romy Guevara.
Well, Don Bosco is also very active in yung mga small basketballs, no? Yung mga Pasarel, SBP, alam natin yan. They're also a very good school that's noted for their football players, no? So,
Yun, alam ko, matagal na nung
bata pa
naglalaro pa tayo sa Lasal. Yan yung mga matitinik na kalaban natin. Xavier, Don Bosco.
They're noted for their football teams, no? Mark Jones here getting an opportunity with 2 free throws to tie the ball game with 2 minutes and 50 seconds left. The low-scoring ball game, of course, favors the Talk and Text team, because if you look at their statistics, the lower it is, the better chances they have of winning. Ginebra is a team that likes to score high, get the running game going, which has not been in evidence here, except at the start of the ball game in the first 4 minutes, where they had 4 or 6 points on the fast break quickly.
After that, talaga naging
Wala na.
non-existent yung kanilang running game.
And Williams is just taking shots at will here. He's not making them.
Well, that seems to be the characteristic ng kanyang laro. Every time I see him play, talagang ganun yung style niya. Talagang mahilig siya tumira. Jones against Williams. He takes a jumper.
That's good defense, though.
And Williams will finish. Oh, no!
You could see it was not a good takeoff. It took off early, used that left hand.
Magtulis finishes on the other end.
Binitin pa ni Magtulis yun. So, a 2-point lead. Now, Asitaw Laba wants the ball. Enough of Williams. Come to me, you know. I have a better matchup, you know, but he misses the layup of Wilmer Ong.
Alam mo, daming sayang talaga ng pagkakataon nito kupunan ng Talk and Text.
Baka excited lang sila ng konti. No?
Could be. The question is, will they be able to settle down in time?
That's gonna be a jump ball, held ball situation.
Ito si Patrick Fran, talagang this guy will not back down from anyone.
Well, it's a game. No? It's the game of basketball. It's not boxing. So, talaga kailangan matapang ka doon sa loob. No? Be willing to mix it up. No? As long as hindi lang magkakasakitan, di ba? Yun ang laro eh. That's the game of basketball. Easy tap there for Jones. Big advantage in height.
Kagiwa cannot shake off Patrick Fran. And Fran on the other end with a 3. Masyado malakas.
The Talk and Text has been given some good looks on the outside, especially the local players, but they've not been able to convert. 1:16 left dito sa ating second quarter. Post play dito para kay Meneses.
And look who's on him, Patrick Fran.
But Meneses likes this. Nice pass. Yan ang magaling kay Berhel and kay Jun Limpot. Berhel especially. Berhel can wait for the double team and he can make the pass.
Medyo nakatulog na kaunti si Brandon Williams doon.
Yeah.
Asi, hirap na hirap sa ilalim.
Well, Wilmer is also very heavy. He's not mobile, but he's heavy. So, Asi cannot really back him down to a point where he can just take him away. Not like he did with Magtule or Kyoto or whatever, no?
Good steal here from Patrick Fran. Asi, hinihingi pa rin yung bola. They go to the rim for it. Williams with the bucket.
Last shot time here for Barangay Ginebra. Alang kay Dick waving to his point guard. Relax, bata. Cross the line and set up for the 1-4 play. Isolation play para kay Mark Kagiwa.
That's exactly what they set up to end the first quarter.
He's very, very deadly. I've seen him. He's very deadly from the top of the key. On the sides, well, he has more or less you can control him at the wings. But there are fouls to give here, and that's what Louis Wallace is telling his player. They still have a foul to give with 4.7 seconds left. Pwede niyong gamitin yan. Yan, gamitin mo na ngayon. Pero hindi na niya nagamit. Tumira si Berhel.
And fortunately for Talk and Text, Verhel does not make the shot. And after 2 quarters, lamang po ng 2 puntos ang Ginebra San Miguel with a score of 34-32.